everybody, welcome to all new Scar Reviews and Files. Welcome, thank you for tuning in. Alright, so if you guys want to see my BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of August, please stay tuned. Y'all, so this is the BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of August, and I'm kind of catching up, so I think that's pretty good. And plus I decided to record today, so here we go. All right, so BoxyCharm, you get this every month. It is a subscription that you sign up for, and it has about 4 to 5 full-size products that is from like Tarte or ColourPop and things of that sort, very popular names, and things that can be expensive, but in the box, you pay $21 a month and you get a big box value that, which if you would have bought all those items, it would have been more than that. Okay, so that's just basically about that. Here is the box. Okay, BoxyCharm. Alright, I had oil on my hands, so that is why. It's still thunderstorming, so please excuse that. Alright, so now we're going to open this real quick, okay? And, again, it is $21 a month, and it's every month, and it automatically deducts out of your bank account or whatever that you set it up with. And then, if you do not want it, you can unsubscribe. But I'm still here with them, and I'm not sure if there's a waiting list, because sometimes there is a waiting list. I did have a waiting list when I came aboard, but, yeah. So, here we go. BoxyCharm unboxing, and this is what the box is looking like. Oh, eyelashes again. Okay, we got eyelashes again, y'all. So we're gonna go up close so you guys can see what's going on. So we're gonna start off with the eyelashes, y'all. Boom, bam, y'all see this? All right, so this is the House of Lashes. I believe I've heard of them before. Yes, it says our lashes are designed to enhance the natural beauty of your eyes, suitable for all eye shapes. They are ideal for regular wear or special occasion, handcrafted to perfection, using 100% premium human hair or synthetic hair blends, ultra weight, easy to apply, and reusable. Got some more eyelashes, y'all. Okay, I gotta buy them. All right, so we have a Desi Organic Infused Age-Defying Nail Treatment Essentials. Ooh, some nail stuff. Okay, here we go, BoxyCharm. All right. Oh, wow. Nail treatment. I'm about to use these on my nails today. Okay. It says Nail Treatment Essentials is a complete product, a range developed to restore your nails to their healthiest and most beautiful natural state. This anti-aging nail system cleanses, repairs, and fortifies, primes, and protects the nails and cuticles. It combines targeted, natural, and organic ingredients and penetration enhancers that help improve the circulation and healthy nail growth. So yeah, so let me see if this is an oil or if this is I think this is like an oil. Okay. Oh wow, I'm gonna use this today when I do my nails. I'm so glad I didn't do my nails prior to, so yay. And then also I could just use this what have you. So yeah, okay. I'm soothed. Okay, a nail thing. I will be using this. You guys know I'll be using my BoxyCharm items. Okay, I have BoxyCharm items on now. Okay, all right. So Smash Box. You guys know I like it. Oh, Be Legendary lipstick. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay. Ooh. Here we go. So this is the color here. All right, and then we're going to swatch it. Oh man, this is bright. I don't know, I have to tone this down with something else. So I don't know, I'm gonna ask my sister if she want this. But yeah, so this is a pink. I could probably tone it down though. But that's what it's looking like. So yeah, so this is called the Be Legendary lipstick. It is bombastic. Okay. All right, so yeah. All right, then we have Bang Beauty. Okay, let's see what's in here. This nice little box here. Okay. Gel eyeliner, chocolate gel eyeliner. Ooh la la. Let's see. Okay. This is what it's looking like here. Nice and smooth. Is a gel eyeliner. Can you use this for your eyebrows? They always give me some, but I like the packaging. It's cute though. Very cute. Okay, I'll see you. All right, and we have Wonder Beauty. This is the oh Lord, Wonder Beauty baggage claim gold eye mask. Okay, as you guys can see, I don't have bags under my eyes, but I do have dark circles, so this might work with dark circles. But yeah, the last time I tried something under my eyes, it was burning. So I don't know. So I may try this and see what happens. But it says baggage claim gold eye mask. So we shall see. So that's what's in there. Then we have the Party Animal Laura Lee Los Angeles. This is a nice little compact. Oh, this is cute. Let's package it. Y'all. Y'all. What we doing? What we doing? What we doing? What we do? What? Oh, what? The blue. Once I saw that blue, I was like, let me see some. All right, we definitely swatching right now. BoxyCharm. See, this is what happens when you try to get away from them, but they catch you and they're like, "No, boo. Okay, you gonna still be subscribed to us. Don't you leave, boo. Cause we about to put something in there that's gonna blow you away." And okay, so we're gonna start with the blue karaoke. And we gonna swap. Why is it that pigmented? Why? What? Why? Why is it that okay, all right, let's swatch it here. Why are we that okay, all right, damage control. Like, okay, it's a party. It's a oh, but this is like a green color. All right, that's not it's like a green yellow. Okay, here we go. Oh, my hand a little oily too, so that could be it too. Orange. Oh, ooh, I like that. Oh, bottoms up. Bottoms up, bottoms up, up. Ooh. Oh, I like that one. And this is hungover. I done messed up the palette being so excited. That's pretty. All right, so let me kind of clean that up a little bit. Okay. So these are the colors, as you guys could see, that I already swatched. That blue blew me away. Like, come on. You see this? Like, don't back it on. Okay, so here we go. This is what it's looking like. This is very cute. Okay, so we're gonna get into the value of the box, you guys. You guys know how I do. Okay, so we got the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette. Dare to be the life of the party with the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Palette. These 6 stunning shades create bold, colorful looks, leaving you ready for a night of fun. This is $19. Then we got House of Lashes. Add length and dimension to your makeup look with your new favorite lashes. Cruelty-free, high quality, and long-lasting. These lashes provide up to 15 wears. And will be the talk of every party. Okay, and it says between $9 and $12. So I'm guessing depending upon what type of lashes you get. So it depends. So I believe they have a variety. So yeah, that's basically about that. All right, my camera about to die. So yeah, I'll be right back. All right, so now we're going to move on to the Smashbox Assorted Lip Products. To create bold, beautiful looks with your new Smashbox Lip product, this pigment-loaded color glides on in just one swipe, getting you out the door into the party quicker. Shades and finishes may vary, okay? So I guess depending upon the shade, that's how much the price is going to be. So it's between $21 and $24 for lipstick. Yes, lipstick is high, and I have purchased lipstick that, yeah. Okay, so, Wonder Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. After a night of partying, who doesn't have a good eye mask? These gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. The hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, while aloe leaf extracts and lavender oil cool and soothe your under eye area, which is $13. Okay, I may try that. Bang Beauty Chocolate Eyeliner. Use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. This creamy chocolate tone pomade is the ultimate triple threat. It is $22. A Desi Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. Okay, I saw you. Treat yourself, your nails, your cuticles after a night out. This lightweight, non-greasy oil is formulated with vitamin E, shea, sweet almond, and jojoba oils that are blended together to create a luxurious treatment that softens the cuticles, moisturizes, and hydrates the nails. This is $18. I definitely will be using that today because my nails are in need of, so they got 20% off of, you know, your next Smashbox order. So that's just basically about that, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. That is the unboxing of my BoxyCharm for the month of August. So if you guys are wondering, if you guys want to get this product, you could definitely go and sign up. I definitely will have links down below, so you guys could click and get into it. And that's just basically about that, you guys. So that's just basically it. I am done. That's my unboxing. There's nothing else in there. And yeah, so that's just basically it, you guys. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please let us ask. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. Bye.